office located on the grounds of Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. Station KWO35 broadcasts on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. Here is the tide information. It's Sandy Hook. High tide is at 4:50 p.m. Saturday, 5:15 a.m. Sunday, and 5:51 p.m. Sunday. Low tide is at 11:15 p.m. Saturday and 11:49 a.m. Sunday. At the Battery, high tide is at 5:24 p.m. Saturday, 5:46 a.m. Sunday, and 6:24 p.m. Sunday. Low tide is at 11:44 p.m. Saturday and 12:17 p.m. Sunday. At Kings Point, high tide is at 8:48 p.m. Saturday and 9:13 a.m. Sunday. Low tide is at 3:23 a.m. Sunday and 3:53 p.m. Sunday. At Montauk, high tide is at 5:57 p.m. Saturday and 6